Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini like Siri. First, open the Gemini application on your device. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually found by tapping your profile picture or a gear icon. Look for the voice or input options and ensure voice input is enabled. This allows you to speak your commands directly. Remember to grant microphone access when prompted, which is crucial for Gemini to hear you clearly. Finally, select your desired voice for Gemini's responses, making interactions more natural and enjoyable. Once setup is complete, activating Gemini with your voice is straightforward. Simply say "Hey Gemini" to initiate a conversation, just as you would with other voice assistants. Alternatively, you can tap the microphone icon within the Gemini application to manually begin a voice command. When speaking, try to articulate your words clearly and keep your requests concise. This helps Gemini accurately process your instructions and provide the most relevant responses, ensuring a smooth and efficient interaction every time. Gemini can assist with a wide array of daily tasks using just your voice. For instance, you can ask it to set a reminder for 5 p.m. to call mom or add milk to my shopping list. It's also excellent for quick information retrieval. Simply ask "What's the weather like today?" or "How far is the moon?" If you have smart home devices connected, Gemini can control them too. Try saying "Turn off the living room lights" or set the thermostat to 72 degrees for effortless home management. To further enhance your Gemini experience, delve into its advanced features. Explore the available extensions to connect Gemini with other applications and services you use regularly, expanding its capabilities significantly. You can also customize various preferences, such as language, units of measurement, and even the level of detail in its responses, to better suit your personal needs. Remember, providing feedback on your interactions helps the system learn and improve, making Gemini even more effective for everyone in the future.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.